to my channel. So today's video is super simple, but a DIY that I've been wanting to do for so long, and now that I've done it, I am so obsessed with it that I wanted to share it with you guys. It literally takes no like crafty skills, like anyone can do this, and yeah, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So we're redoing my spice rack, which I love to cook and so does my husband, so our spices kind of can get out of control. I feel like we have, I don't even know, like 50, and I was like, okay, we gotta like think of a better way, because they're all the jars were like different sizes. Some were big, some were small, like some were in bags. Like it was just kind of a mess. So I went ahead, looked on Pinterest, tried to find like a cool DIY, and I got a few ideas and decided to make my own. So that is why I'm sharing it with you guys today. I'm gonna start out by showing you guys what you all need. It's like very minimal supplies, which is ideal for a craft project. So the first thing that you need is one of these label makers. I tried to like see if any of my friends had them. No one had them, so I looked on Amazon and this thing was like $9, so I just bought my own. And then the main thing are these glass jars. I got these off, I can't remember the website, but like I said, I'll link it below. So it's just this glass jar, and then you can buy these little stoppers that you use for, you know, to stop the spices from like pouring out, and then little white lids. The website that I got them off of, I think you can get black lids as well, but I wanted the white, so I got the white. And then I bought a funnel. Of course, you can use paper or whatever you want, but a funnel makes it so much easier. So I bought this at Target, and it is super simple. And then the last thing that I bought was this insert for my drawer, and it's adjustable, which I think unless you can like get this specific size you need, I couldn't find the exact size that I wanted. So I got an adjustable one, so it literally can fit like any size drawer, and this one fits perfectly in my drawer. This one is just from Amazon, and I will link this below as well. But this will just sit in my drawer, and then I'll be able to line them up and you'll be able to see them perfectly, and it'll be just so nice. So the first thing to do is make your label, which is super simple with this like little machine. You can also use like a pen or a sticker. I know on Amazon and the Container Store you can buy your own stickers, so if you don't want to do this label, you can totally do that as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna make my label and type out the spice that I am going to pour into my jar. Okay, so the next thing to do is just take your jar and put your label on it. I didn't do this, and I'm kind of kicking myself. I didn't pay attention to the direction I was putting them on, and so some of my jars read the opposite way, and it's a little annoying. So I just wanted to like call that out. So if any of you guys are making these, just kind of pay attention to the direction that you're putting the letters, so that when they're laid out on the shelf, that they're all like reading the same way. It seems obvious, and of course I didn't do that, so I just wanted to say that to you guys. Okay, and then the next step is just filling your jar with this funnel. So I just took the spice from the old container and dumping them into my new container, and then I also bought the stoppers like I showed earlier, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid and then close it off with the lid, and we are all done. Okay, so now that we have all our jars filled up, I'm gonna go fill up my cabinet, which I am so mad that I didn't take a before and after shot of, because it was so bad, and this is gonna look so much better. So yeah, we're gonna head to the cabinet and fill it up. Okay, and that's it for the DIY today, guys. It was super simple, and I just think it looks so good. I hope that you guys like this video and try it out for yourself. Like I said before, I'll link everything that I used in the description box if you guys want to do this yourself. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!